Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious breakfast tortas. In case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need bacon, ham, panela cheese, spring mix or lettuce, onion, avocado, tomato, eggs, sliced jalapeños, oil, mayo, mustard, salt, black pepper, and telera bread. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by prepping everything for our torta. So we're going to start by cutting the onion in half, and we're going to slice it down in half moons. And of course, if you don't like onion, then you can skip on the onion. Okay, so next we're going to slice down our tomato. Get rid of the end. Next, we're going to slice down our avocado in half. Just like that. Okay, we're going to season it with salt and pepper. Now we're just going to smash it. Okay, so once we have our avocado nicely smashed, I'm going to add my 2 pits, just so like that I can prevent the avocado from turning brown. Okay, so try it for salt and pepper, and once we have our avocado, we can set it to the side and start working on the rest of our torta. Alright, so now we're going to slice our queso panela. Alright, so after we cut our queso panela, we can begin to cook our bacon. Alright, so I have my grill set on medium-high heat. Now we're just going to place our bacon and cook it according to how you like it. Alright, so once your bacon is done, remove it from the oil. Alright, so once we have removed our bacon from our griddle, we're just going to remove all the excess grease. Okay, so remove the grease. Just be careful. And I'm going to clean my griddle. So with the paper towel, just clean it. And now we're going to cook our bread and ham along with the cheese. Alright, so now we're just going to cut open our telera bread. Just open it all the way. And we're going to add our mayo. The mayo, place it on your bread. Spread it on both sides. Okay, so now we're going to toast it. So just leave it in there for a couple seconds until the bread has turned into a golden color. Alrighty, so after a few seconds, flip it over and toast the other side for a few seconds. Okay, so once it's a little toasted in the bottom, we're going to remove it from the heat. Set it on your plate. And now we're going to cook our ham. Alright, so just clean your griddle and make sure that you have it set on low heat. So like that you don't burn your bread, your ham, or your cheese. So I'm going to add 4 pieces into one torta. And of course it's going to be all to your liking. Okay, so after a few seconds we're just going to flip it over and cook the other side. So at this point, I'm just going to place one on top of the other. And we're going to grill our queso. So leave it there for a few seconds and then we're going to flip it over. And of course, you can leave it longer if you want it more toasted. It's going to be all to your preference. Alright, so now I'm just going to place my cheese on top of my ham. just like that. I'm going to turn it off and set it to the side. On a medium frying pan, I'm going to set at medium-high heat. I'm going to add my oil, enough to cover the egg. Once the heat's up, we're going to start frying our eggs. All right, so once our oil is ready, we're going to crack our egg and begin to fry it. Make sure that you have it set on low heat so like that your egg doesn't burn. Unless you want it burned, then go ahead and do your thing. And now we're just going to fry it. So once your egg is done, we're going to remove it from the oil. And we're going to place it on top of our ham and cheese. Alright, so once we're ready to make our tortas, we're going to begin by adding some mustard into our bread. I'm just going to spread it evenly. Then we're going to grab our avocado and spread it as well. I'm going to add my spring mix. Add as much or as little as you like. Or like I said, you can add lettuce instead. I'm going to grab my bacon, break it in half. So I'm going to grab about 2 pieces and just start placing it like that. I'm going to grab my tomatoes. And my onion. And I love onions. So the more, the better. Okay. Next we're going to add our 2 pieces of ham and cheese along with our egg. I'm going to sprinkle some pepper and top it off with some jalapeños. Next, we're just going to grab our top piece of bread and cover it. So smash it and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Seriously, super delicious. Everything, it's perfect. The flavors from everything combined together is the best. And like, you know, if you're not into the egg, if you want to make it more into like a lunch dinner, you can always take out the egg and just leave it like that. So delicious. Alright guys, and there you have it, how I make some delicious breakfast tortas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami.